Today's video about the Milky Way, I found probably the most interesting out of all the videos. Every time I feel like the videos are just getting more interesting because they just keep building off each other, and we've learned a lot of, through the process. And today's video on the Milky Way, I never understood it, and it made a lot more sense to me today. I couldn't believe how many dead stars there are in the Milky Way. I guess I never thought of it that way. I thought that was very interesting to find out. And that like the crust and the middle are both um dead. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Um, I lost my train of thought. Okay, so the Milky Way is very there's a lot more going on in the Milky Way, I think, than that was ever understood. And I think it's funny that we call it the Milky Way galaxy and it's like the same thing. I never knew that before. Um, I really do think that it is interesting to see, like, with the smoke, that we can't really tell how big and how far things are because it throws off our uh, perception. I guess it's the gases that and the smoke created from the gases that makes it look like the way it does, and I think it just adds a lot. And